In this video we will show you skin whitening for dark knees. An even skin tone adds to your beauty, and having dark knees and elbows can detract from it. This is a common issue that can make one self-conscious about wearing short-sleeved dresses and tops as well as skirts and shorts. The skin around the knees is usually thicker and has more folds than its surrounding skin. Also, because there are no oil glands in these areas, this skin tends to be drier. So, when proper care and hygiene is not maintained, the skin on knees and elbows becomes much darker than other parts of your body. 1. Oil massage. The oil massage is one of the oldest, most widely used, and most effective ways to lighten dark skin. You can use olive oil, sesame oil, coconut oil, almond oil, or any other natural oil in its purest form. 2. Lemon for perfect exfoliation. Lemon has exfoliating and bleaching properties, so its application will help lighten your skin tone. It works effectively on your dark knees and elbows as well. Take a large lemon, cut it into 2 halves, and squeeze each of them a little. Use each half to scrub your elbow and knees for 15 minutes. Make sure to stay indoors and protect the cleansed area from sunlight. Also, use petroleum jelly to moisturize your knees. 3. Milk and baking soda. The combination of baking soda and milk will make your skin feel smooth and lighten its tone as well. Mix both ingredients together to form a thick paste. Rub it directly on your knees in circular motions. Repeat it daily to lighten your dark knees. 4. Yogurt. Yogurt contains lactic acid that helps lighten skin color. It also cleanses and moisturizes the skin. Mix 1 teaspoon each pair of plain yogurt and white vinegar to get a smooth paste. Apply it on the affected areas and let it dry. Rinse it off with warm water, pat dry and apply a moisturizer. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos.